Beegod Emergency Personal Security and LED light. So not a whole lot in here. Basically that's it. No instructions on how to use this. That turns the light on. There's this button here turns the light on. Other than that, you just either pull this or don't pull it. It's pretty loud. Not a whole lot to this. So that's kind of nice. And this stays on here, so you either pull this or don't. So if you had to attach something, kind of pull this. This goes off. Push it back in and turn it off. Doesn't get any easier or better than that. That was pretty loud. Wow, that kind of hurts my ears in here. If you undo this screw here, you can take this back off, change the batteries. So we'll take that off and see what that looks like. I don't know what kind of batteries this uses. So it uses these 3 little button batteries here. Pretty easy to pop those out and change them, not too hard. So when you go put this back together, you gotta make sure you put this chain back on here. It's got this little egg-shaped thing here, or oval. There's a little peg right here. So you stick that on that peg before you stick this back on here. And you just snap this back in here, that way it stays there. And you just put the screw back in here. Tighten this up, you're good to go. Pretty simple. Like I said, not a lot to this, easy design. That stays on there pretty good. Light works, good to go.